Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Saya Kabila from class 4 ISP4. Today I want to share you about something special in our country, diversity in Indonesia. Do you know, Indonesia has more than 17,000 islands and over 700 languages. Some people think being diversities make us weak, but actually it makes us strong. Diversity means we are not all the same. We have different foods, different clothes, different language, and different tradition. It's just like a rainbow. Each color is different, but when they come together, the rainbow is beautiful. Why is diversity is a strength? When we are different, we can learn from each people. For example, one friend is good at math. Another is good at drawing, another is good at sport. Together we can do more. It's the same with Indonesia. With so many culture, talents, and ideas, we become stronger as one nation. Example in Indonesia, our diversities gives us many wonderful things like delicious foods, rendang, pempek, papeda, beautiful dance like Saman dance, Kecak dance, and Papua dance. Many local language, but we can still understand each other. The world knows the Indonesias of this difference. Friends, our motto is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different but still one. So remember, diversity is not a weakness, it's our strength and our superpower. If we respect and love each other, Indonesia will be great. So, this is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.